Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I ain't no side piece. I'm the one you take it home to momsies. Come on, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl you call wifey. Yeah, I'm such a dime piece. Back me and I never leave your side, babe. You know I'm gifted with.
Baby, look at me and tell me you love me no matter what. Look.
No.
You love me?
Hey, Miss Seeley.
Hello my loves, Sundown here coming at you with another video, and in this video I am going to give you blonde hair for black girls, okay, because the color blonde is not just, you know, for one person. So in this video you're going to see my growth journey, and all jokes aside, seriously, the real reason that I'm lightening my hair, A, I really like this color, and B, because for the whole growth process you can see exactly how fast my hair is growing when my hair is lighter, and then you can see the black coming in. Okay, yes. So as you guys know, I absolutely love Cuticle Defy Damage System. I love using this to lighten my hair, and this is what I use to wash my hair and condition my hair and lighten my hair. Okay, so get into it. First, I have already detangled my hair with oil. If you have not seen that video, make sure you check out all of my videos in the description box below, along with my playlist that links my entire growth journey. Okay, so first I am I can't get it out. First I am spraying series 1 all over my head, and then I go in and apply the lightener. The lightener that I'm using, all the color I'm using in this video, is from Cuticle. I will put all of the formulations in the description box below, along with my blog post about ARGININE. Okay, so if you want to know more about the products that I'm using, make sure you check the description box. Okay, so I am putting the lightener on my hair shaft first, and then I'm gonna go through at the end and put it on my ends. But this is, I don't know, I just think you guys should try it. If you are a professional hairstylist, I really encourage you to start using Cuticle, at least the Defy Damage System, for your clients that have natural hair, because I'm telling you, like, the second you put the conditioner on your hair, the second you rinse it out, or no, when you put the conditioner on, it doesn't have anything to do with a slip. It's just the way your hair will feel. And at the end of this video, you will be able to see my curls revert before your own eyes. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned. But I had to let this process for a minute. I actually had to do this process twice. Okay, so color is not in and out, shabloom shablam. No, it take a minute. Okay, so it's not gonna be $5. Okay, I'm just saying.
Alrighty, so this is, turn the TV down, y'all. So this is the level of lift I am stopping at, and I'm not going to finish the toning process tonight because I'm tired and I don't want to do a half job. So now I'm just going to wash this out. Defy Damage Protective Shampoo. I'm going to wash it out with this, and then I'm going to follow up. Then I'm going to wash it out with this. Let this sit in there for a second. And then lastly, I'm going to let this conditioner sit in for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I am going to flat twist this so it won't nap up on your girl, and then I am going to bed.
Alrighty, so these are the toners I will be using from Cuticle. Okay, yes, I do not get them from Amazon. I go inside of CosmoProf. I'm not sure where you can get them from. Yeah, I don't know, because even when I go look on Amazon, I don't really see. So I don't know. So anywho, I am putting this on, and what this is going to do is knock out all of like the brassy orangey tones out of my hair, okay? Because no, and keep in mind, this is not my ultimate goal, but this is where we are stopping for today. I am gonna lighten my hair again in probably about 4 weeks, so you guys stay tuned for that. But I wanted you guys to see this in real time, okay? At this point, you know, it is colored all the way to the root, okay? So as you can see, some of my curls look a little looser. Remember, whenever you are lightening your hair using any type of chemical, you use something like ammonia to open the cuticle and pull out the natural pigment. Well, in this case with Joico, as I taught you on a previous video, they use a arginine complex that they have patent to open the cuticle to take out the hair color. Now, to take out the hair color, to take out the natural pigment of the hair. Now, arginine is depleted either way, but with their formulation, it puts the arginine back into the hair, and you can literally see that before your eyes. It's something that takes time. It's not like the second, like shablam, it's back. No, you'll sit it on your hair, and I put a regular processing cap on my head. I do not sit under a dryer because I have high porosity hair and my cuticle is already open. I let this sit for 30 minutes, and at the end of those 30 minutes, I go sit under a dryer on very, very cool air to ensure that my cuticle is closed, and then I rinse it out with very cold water, as cold as I can take it, and it does not feel great. Okay, I just want to say that. So I don't know about you guys, but I think my hair is growing. You know, I don't even really want to say it's growing fast, because this is the normal rate that my hair grows when I follow my hair regimen, because this is normal. Your hair grows. Everyone's hair grows fast. Everyone. The problem is most people are preventing their hair growth with the amount of products that they're using and the type of products that they're using. As you guys know, I will get into that very, very deep in, you know, time to come. Yes, but here's where we are. Please pay attention to this part right here, and please notice that I do not have any black roots. I colored my hair all the way to the root. Please notice that, because I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm actually a little in awe myself at how fast my hair is growing right now, because I have this new product that I have been testing out for you guys. It is gonna be a sponsored video. However, it's something that's so serious with hair growth that I wanted to make sure I tried it out myself before I said anything. And you guys, the results, like, my hair is growing so fast, it makes no sense, and I can prove it to you because I just colored my hair blonde, and you can see the new black pieces. Okay, and I'm not even talking about this. I have another video for you. I have more growth than this. Craziness, I know, but make sure that if you have not done so already, you are subscribed here to my channel, so that way you will not miss the new video anytime I post one. Okay, yes, I love you guys so much. And in the comments below, let me know, what color are you thinking about doing for the summer, because summer is coming up, it's on the way and stuff. So right now in the comments below, let me know what color you're thinking about doing for the summer, or what color you're like scared to do. Okay, I really want to hear from you. Let's talk about it. And also, this is the thing number 2 I need you to include in the comments below. Do you think I should stay at this level, or do you think I should do what I want to do and go all the way up? Now, I'm not gonna do stormy blonde, I don't think, but yeah, let's see. Let me know. Okay, yes, you guys, so this is pretty much it. This is like a 2-day-old twist out. I didn't tie my hair up, so it is looking crazy. Okay, but as I got done working, I was like, oh my god, because I've been running around so much these last couple of weeks, and I'm like, I didn't even do the final video to show you guys the color of how my hair looks when it's styled and stuff. So this is how it looks, you guys. But as soon as I finished this, I went and got in the shower and washed my hair and stuff. So I have a video coming really soon showing you guys how I did these flat twists. I was going to include it in this video, but I figured it's already long enough, you know. Yes, but let's look at this growth. Like I said, make sure you check the playlist left in the description box below so you can follow this growth journey that I have been on, because it has not been a year yet. Let's just be clear. Yes, okay, yes, I'm really excited about it, and I want you to join me on this growth journey. Okay, yes. This has been so much fun, you guys. I think I'm gonna place a bet with myself and see how fast my hair can grow. But in the meantime, in between time, just click one of the videos on the screen and then click on my face to subscribe to my channel and stuff. Bye.